Today, we are going to be talking about secret shopping full time. If you want to make more money, real money, on your own schedule, grab a pen and paper, grab a cup of tea or beverage of your choice, and let's get down to business because this is going to be good. What's up, shoppers? Welcome to Info Shook. I'm Dee, and I share insider information to help you maximize your earnings as a secret shopper. Today we're going to talk about video recorded mystery shopping, what it is, how it works, and what to expect, and also a quick review. I'm going to show you the equipment that I have. I recently just had to order new camera glasses because mine quit working. These are the ones that I purchased. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss future mystery shopping videos. Okay guys, so let's talk about planning and preparation for the shop. Review your assignment details. You definitely want to do that just like you would with any other shop so that you know what to expect when you arrive. Make sure that you have enough memory and battery to complete the assignment. Also, test your gear. Take a test video, upload it, and review it to make sure everything works well. Once you're on location, start filming early. Enter the location with the camera rolling. This way, you're sure to get the greeting. You want to get signage, cleanliness, and other details. When you're done with the shop, offload your footage immediately. Upload and copy it to your computer right away, or the cloud right away. Make sure to have a backup. If the client only wants relevant clips, then trim it as necessary. Some clients will want the full video, some just want certain parts of the video. You guys, the cool thing about video recorded mystery shops is the feedback loop. If the client asks you for clarification, everything is right there for you to reference. Complete the report and then submit everything. Okay, so one of the trickiest parts of video recorded shops is the gear itself. You want to make sure that you have something that's discreet, reliable, and that has high enough quality to pass specifications. So let's talk about camera options. First thing that you have the option of is a body camera, usually like a hidden button cam with a small clip-on device. They also have pan cameras, watch cameras. This is not a watch camera, but they do have those. And then also camera glasses, which is what I prefer because it's wearable, it's hands-free, and I don't have to worry about making sure that it's aimed properly because it sees whatever I'm looking at. I found the Konleya smart camera glasses on Amazon. The specs claim 1080p HD video, wearable sports glasses with a built-in camera frame. The cool thing about these is if you wanted to, you could even get your prescription put into them. I don't need to do that, but if you did need to do that, you could. Here is what I found as far as the pros and cons are concerned. So for the pros, you get decent video clarity in good lighting. I can see the staff interactions. These are very discreet. People generally don't notice if you're wearing them. They're very comfortable to wear. They're lightweight and suitable for a few hours of use. I would say maybe 2 hours max. But that's long enough to get the job done. The operation is straightforward. There's a start and stop button and a micro USB charging. So for the cons, low light performance is weaker. When lighting is dim or in shadows, the footage does get grainy. Another con is that the audio is passable, but not studio level. Background noise can interfere. And then there's the battery life. You may get only 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous recording, depending on the resolution. And then for the storage and the file transfer, you'll need to offload files regularly to avoid running out of space. So in short, the Konleya glasses are a solid entry-level option for video mystery shopping. So this is what they look like. They come in this nice little case. So this is what you're going to have inside. You have your instruction manual, your user manual. You have the glasses themselves. This is what they look like. So just basic white standard glasses. Your camera is right here. It has these two little holes. This is your camera. And it has the same holes on this side, but there's no camera on that side. The camera is on this side, above your left ear. And then your SD card will go in here. Right in there is where the SD card goes. You can see a little bit of the green there, so you know where it goes. You also get these tweezers for your SD card and for your pin push button. You guys, I really want to provide quality information that you can use to start making money right away. Use this information to create your next paycheck. Thanks for watching.